How to apply for Wise credit card. If you want to apply for a credit card on Wise, there are a couple of key things that you have to understand. Now, first of all, you have to simply, if I go to my browser and search for Wise credit card, you can see this article from Wise themselves that says how to get a credit card and what are the steps to apply and get approved. So if I go to that link, there are a couple of things that I have to do first. First, I need to have a good credit score of 700 or more. Second, you need to be at least 18 with a good source of income. Then you need to have a social security number or ITIN number. Then you can also make sure that why you need a credit card and all that. You can also take your time and so on. Now, if you want to apply for a credit card, there you'll find this option called that says Get a Wise Card. So you can tap on the Get a Wise Card option. You'll be taken to this page where you have to simply go ahead and then confirm with your Wise account just like this. And once you go ahead and then confirm with your Wise account and log in, then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to fill out a form to apply for the credit card. This way you'll be able to apply Wise credit card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.